So today we're showing some GT since I don't have a Discord. Oh my god. I will make him a fan art. Maybe that's already okay. I last saw him wearing a top hat, I'm hoping to stay in So, Susan GP, if you're watching this, shout out for you. Because you're lucky that I'm gonna show you. This little short little feet. Tuloy dito. Wait, I'm gonna check how many subscribers I have. "19 subscribers. So I only need one more like to get 20 subscribers. Because I don't know how to post or like videos.
Bakit hindi mo masira? Nagutom mo eh. Kasi tinutulak mo. Hindi rin kahit.
collateral and waiting to draw another armor. The oh wait.
Hindi sabihin natin, okay?
Let's ignore the background. Don't mind me adding next.
Uminom mo, may bahay na tayo. Tara na. Ano yan? Yung drug test. Ano meron sa dyan? Pero pwede na tayo mag-operation. What? Kung dami natin sa may portal, no? Pwede mo na portal. Ah! Portal, oh. Yan, sige. Nakakapna. Miscellaneous? Hindi yan. Ito, kasabi mo faithful. Wala sa'yo? Ward, meron? Artery target, meron? may nakuha ko. Pero hindi, yun lang yung binigay mo sa akin. Wala,
Wala, ano, kunin mo na.
ngayon lang lumabas, gago, pag-abot mo nung ano. Madali lang. Ano? Ito, circling. Yung circling 4. Di ba nakakuha tayo nito? Hindi, nung nakaraan, di ba nakakuha tayo nito sa loob? Circling 4. Kukuha ito. Ano? Yun lang. 2 piraso nun. Tapos 10 mata. Kaya yung mata na yun, natawag. Pero ngayon, kung ano yun, sana, yun pa lumabas yan. Oo. Ngayon lang. Pagkabot mo ng 5, oo po.
Big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. Big guy, pencil face, big guy, pencil face, big guy, big guy, big guy, big guy. Pencil, big guy, pencil face.
Wala nang dagdag. Meron lang upgrade. Trunk yun. Eh, top yun. Top right pala. Uy, may leather na damit ko. Hindi tayo magawa ng leather na damit. Fire ako. Meron. Oo. Nabisa na. Wala ba ibang ilaw?
Wait.
Okay. Awa ka lang nga ba?
And he requested me that I will draw him a profile, so he used my profile. Cause wait, his proof. I mean, I didn't face it. Now going back to Joe. Name GT. Wait, what?
Tama mo naman. Okay, din. Walang urban.
Ano? Why am I even saying it on Tagalog? I mean, it smells like fries. And guys, don't be 30-minded here. Oh my god.
Lungaw. Konti lang yan. Ay, ano yata? Abo, apat na.
I'm just gonna do a little monkey chasing him.
Ang dami.
I'm gonna do myself pimples. I'm always getting dead. And when I was playing Groot, joining his friend code, and I started to be good of Frenchie, but he still tagged me, by the way.
Ay, na ano ko.
I'm too lazy to draw this here. So I'm gonna just scribble here.
Okay. Ay, kailangan ng ano eh. Bugo. Bugo.
Cause when I was playing, I just accidentally screamed like a little girl, which I'm really a girl.
Kaya ako. May mouse wheel kasi.
I'm gonna just swim up to here and put his name down. G. Wait. What
Wow.
in big?
Ako ba?
Oh. Okay.
Alam mo nung wala tayo dyan?
Good, this good.
Ito ah.
And I'm gonna put a tree here, and I'm just gonna be base drawing a
Lalaki mo
tree.
lang muna wala dito. May akin yun.
I'm be lazily drawing a tree. I'm gonna finish this later and see you on part 2. Bye!